My girl, this can't be right. Such a surreal place to see. So how did this come to be? Right to Wally. And when I think of all the places I just don't belong, I've come to grips with life and realize this is going too far. I don't belong here, we gotta move on here. Escape from this afterlife, 'cause this time I'm ready to move on and on, far away from here. Place of hope with no pain, perfect skies and no rain. Can leave this place but we're free, 'cause we've been waiting for you. All the needs of this place, just giving you a small taste of your afterlife here, so stay. You'll be back here soon anyway. This peace on earth's not right. No pain, no sign of time. So out of place, don't wanna stay. I feel wrong and that's my sign. I made up my mind. Give me your hand, I realize I just wanna say goodbye. Please understand I have to leave and carry on my own life. I don't belong here, gotta move on here. Escape from this afterlife, 'cause this time I'm right to move on and on, far away from here. Got nothing against you, and surely I'll miss you. This place full of peace and light, and I don't you might take me back inside when the time is right. Loved ones back home all crying 'cause they're already missing me. I'm praying by the grace of God that there's somebody listening. Give me a chance to look at person I want to I'll try so hard, but you gotta go. I don't belong here, I gotta move on here. Escape from this afterlife, 'cause this time